everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn German with Yogeeta. So in today's video we are going to learn how to give an advice to someone. So basically we are going to learn the conjunctive zwei to give an advice to someone with the verb sollte. So sollte is similar with the preteritum form of sollen, but the usage of sollte here is quite different. So let's see the conjugation part first. So ich sollte, du solltest, sie es sollte, es sollte, wir sollten, ihr solltet, sie sollten. So basically today we are learning einen Ratschlag geben, einen Vorschlag geben. So Ratschlag and Vorschlag both mean same, advice. So basically what happened now, when we have some situations like if someone say I am having headache, what should I do? The question is what should I do? Now we have to give him or her an advice. You should do this, you should do that. So let's see the sentence structure of sollte. So we have one situation here. For example, ich habe oft Kopfschmerzen. Was soll ich machen? So I often have a headache. What should I do? So here I have to use sollte. So when I want to give an advice to someone, so I should write like this. Du solltest hinlegen. Und ein bisschen schlafen. Du solltest hinlegen und ein bisschen schlafen. So you should lie down. And sleep a bit. Or I can also say du solltest zum Arzt gehen. You should go to the doctor. So basically what we have done, I put my verb solltest at the second position and the another verb Hauptverb or action verb at the end, but no conjugation of my Hauptverb, my main verb, my action verb. Similarly, du solltest zum Arzt gehen. So here again I put solltest at the second position and my Hauptverb gehen at the end, but without conjugation. We are going to see one more situation. Here you have second situation. Ich bin die ganze Zeit sehr müde. Was soll ich machen? So I am very tired all the time. What should I do? So I can give advice. Du solltest meditieren. So you can meditate. Or I can also say that du solltest nicht so viel arbeiten. You should not work so much. So similarly, you can also give advices by using sollte. So let's see some simple structure with sollte. So now we are going to make some sentences with sollte. Du solltest viel Wasser trinken. So here I am giving advice. You should drink much water. Sie sollten joggen. Sie sollten joggen. So you should jog. You should jog. Wir sollten laufen. Wir sollten laufen. We should walk. Wir sollten nicht Fast Food essen. Wir sollten nicht Fast Food essen. Ich sollte im Bett bleiben. Ich sollte im Bett bleiben. So, I am ill, I am having fever. So, I should not get up and do my work. I should lie on bed and take rest. So ich sollte im Bett bleiben. Sie sollten nicht so viel sprechen. Sie sollten nicht so viel sprechen. So, you are so talkative, na? I don't like it. So, you should not speak so much. You should not speak so much. So, Sie sollten nicht so viel sprechen. Sie sollten nicht so viel sprechen. So, great. So, I believe now you can also give someone advice. If yes, so do give me a thumbs up. And try to write some advice on sentence structure in the comment section below. If you like my video, so share it with your friends. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Auf Wiedersehen.